Hello, guys, welcome back to our trading desk where we talk about the daily movers, specifically my trades and what I took, what I did good, what I did bad, and basically talk about the overall sentiment in the market. So, today was an okay day. I would say break even. I'm a bit in the red, but I rallied back up. I'm a bit angry because I did not trust my instincts. And today's lesson that I learned is that I should always go with what I think. And that is because even if I make a mistake, then I would know, okay, this is what I did wrong. But today I felt like I knew that there would be a breakout and I just didn't take it. I sat on the sidelines, and that is bad because that means I don't even trust in the trades I take. And if I don't trust in myself, I can't even like actually see and become a successful trader. So with that being said, the overall sentiment in the market, that's what I wanted to talk today. It's okay. I mean, everybody's talking about the tariffs come August 1st, which is in 10 days, right? 11 actually. So everybody's talking about that. I think we're kind of in a consolation period where everybody is talking about what will happen, but we don't really know. Basically, it's kind of a muted open. There were slightly gains. I think the S&P, the pre-market S&P, like the futures opened slightly higher, but it wasn't anything significant. And everybody was talking about the EU imports, etc. Uh, there will be. I mean, I'm not really sure what will happen with the tariffs. I think they will come to a decision and they will come to an agreement, but as of right now, the futures were trading a little bit higher, but not that much. Now, I know you probably can't see anything right now that I'm a little bit minus 14 basically in the day. Let's actually see the S&P and the P, right? SPX actually, yeah. The index like it. Let's see what's going on. So the SPX right now is kind of trading all right, I guess, but let's actually open it, but it's okay. I mean, it was trading, this was the 18th of July, so I guess it was fine. Let's, I think I'm going a bit off topic. I wanted to just basically talk about the sentiment of the market, just so I know that today was probably kind of a chill day. You know, there was a big move actually, as you can see. I was just trading PMN right here, but I'm really angry about HSDT. So Helium Medical Technology at 1 a.m. 1 p.m. actually, my time, which is 7 a.m. American time, opened with news that it announces positive outcome of the portable neuromodulation stimulator stroke registrational program and upcoming submission to FDA under breakthrough designation. Basically, very nice. So, as I understand it, it's some device that will have a positive outcome on stroke, right? As you can see, the sentiment is positive, and that really reflected on the market. So, come at 1 a.m. right here, right? 1 p.m. It surges up, I mean, 12 to 12. I mean, that's a big move right there. Kind of pulls back, goes up. I opened it at a 103, so I was a bit late. I already caught this, so I was, what my idea was, when there's positive news and the stock is pretty highly priced, for me at least, like around that 8 to 10 range, it pops up, right? And then people, so it hits the top of 15, people kind of come in, basically the first people that got in sell off, and the next wave, which is mostly my kind of traders, basically me, we kind of get in here. We kind of wait for the pullback up to that 9 EMA, right? and we buy that. So so basically the 9 EMA right here when I came in was around 11:30, right there, this candle. I put my order at 11:30, and I was just sitting there. 100 shares, I know that's a lot of money for me. 100 shares, and I was just chilling. So it kind of went down, and then as I was as I was watching it go down, I got scared. And I moved my order a little bit back down, and that's when I made a mistake. Goes back up, goes down a little bit. I was like, okay, probably should not have bought. Goes up, back down, and I have no idea why I didn't get in right here, like right there. Should have gotten in at least at 11:79, but this moved up so fast. But still, like when this went down, right? It first went up and went down. The volume was fine. The MACD was open. I wasn't watching this. The volume on this thing, I mean, it was crazy. Look at the average volume. It's 107K. That's like nothing. It was 10 million, 11 million today. That's like 100 times the relative volume. It's crazy volume. Whatever, it was fine, I guess, but I didn't get in right there. I didn't even get in while it was going up because I was scared, because I had a very bad week, and I was kind of off the gas pedal, and I knew I should have gotten in at least here. I knew it was gonna go up to 15. I didn't trust my instincts. And yeah, I kind of missed this whole move. Didn't even get here on the pullback. No idea why again. It surged past up, so I was thinking of getting here at 15, right? But from around 14, it burst open to 16. Like I couldn't. It all happened in like 3 seconds, and then it kind of sold off. This pullback. I missed this again because I was watching another stock. Missed this again. It surges back up around 15, and then I get in at 18. Let's see the first trade I took. HSD, 15 at 18.12. 18.12. My idea was that the MACD was open. The volume red was good. Here I should have even gotten in right there, but I don't know why I didn't. I got in at the top. Didn't even notice the doji candle. I mean, I did notice it, but the thing is, it went down and went back up. So I was like, okay, we're good. It surges up to like 1870, 1870. I was like, okay, we'll see a mover. Then it goes back down and kind of just flushes. And I got out at 1727, angry and kind of disappointed at myself. Nevertheless, then PMN came in. PMN was a very low price stock, but it's still moving. Actually, it had news at 8 o'clock. It was just granted FDA designation or something for Alzheimer's disease, so very nice. Went up, missed it right there. I mean, I was still watching it, waiting for a way to get in. Got in at 7.5. What time? At 2:05 basically. So right there, yeah, this micro pull. I mean, it's not a micro pullback, but it's just a little bit pull like the VWAP. I got in, and nice, yeah, it just went up. I got in right there, I think, yeah, about 100, and 200 at 860, which was a bit high for me, but it's fine. Got in, right? He goes up to 9.5. It kind of pulls back, so I'm still holding here because I had in mind that I modeled up. My average price was around 8.5, right, 0.85. So I was like, okay, I'll break even if that's the case. So it goes out, it touches the VWAP and immediately buys back, so I don't sell, which is good. And then it kind of surges up to about 1 or something, 9.5, right? And then here I think I sold around, when was it? So sort of 9.2, right there. So I sold at 14.14, right? I think so. Wait. No, I sold it earlier. Really? Oh yeah, I sold a batch here because I knew it was gonna pull back. So I wasn't sure if it's gonna flush. So I just sold a bit here, and then the next selling point was right there. because I saw this and I was like, nope, sold right there a bit. And then was chilling, I think. Yeah, I was chilling, and then I got in at 101 here. Bad decision, but it kind of, I didn't even know I got 101. I wanted to get in right there, but doesn't matter. So kind of late on that as well. So bought right there, kind of consolidated. Then it went up, sold. I think around right over there for 108, 110. Made a bit money. 31 minus 14 on the day, and this kind of just sold off. I knew this wasn't gonna go much more than 1-2. I knew that the ceiling was 1-2 because, as you can see here on the daily chart, a few days back it hit a top of around 1-2, 125 here, but 120 is kind of like a psychological trigger, I think. So around 120 was the max. I knew it wasn't gonna break through that, so be careful of that. Those were my trades. What else the lesson that I learned today? I should have trusted my instincts. I mean, I've seen this pattern so many times where it kind of pops up these like higher price stocks for me from around 8 to 10, pops up, hits a high, it kind of pulls back, a big pullback. I mean, it sells off, hits the 9 EMA or even just below it. And what you should see here is when it hits it, are there green candles? Is it starting to reverse? And yeah, it did. I mean, I don't know. I should have gotten in. Even now that I know this, even getting in late, it's good because you know that it's gonna hit this high at least or somewhere in between. And yeah, I should have bought right there, sold, and made $200-$300 even. And here as well, I missed it like with 15. I still would have made pretty much, but that's a lot of money. I couldn't even afford it. So yeah, sitting minus 14 on the day. Should have trusted my instincts, but it is what it is. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the trading desk. Bye.